DIYers, hey, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today, referencing our 3.0 liter Mercruiser / GM inboard engine. In the event that your engine stalls or dies every time you put it in forward gear and apply thrust, we're going to talk about the kill switch that's likely causing the engine problem or issue. Let's take a look. Making our way inside the boat and to the top portion of our engine where our kill switch is. And very important, we have disconnected both the negative cable and both positive cables to our battery, cut all electrical power to the system. Again, very important. Our shift cable, kill switch, and aluminum strip and wheel. And there is the kill probe. And I'm going to shift or simulate shifting from forward to neutral and into reverse and back to neutral. And you will see these parts in motion. DORs, hey, quick break in the action, something extremely important to point out. I really want to hone in on that probe that extends out of the kill switch housing and mates with that aluminum strip. And as we shift out of neutral and into forward and then back to neutral, followed by into reverse and then back to neutral, you will see the ever so tiniest movement or tension put on that probe from the strip. And if everything is in proper adjustment, including your shift cable and this strip, your engine should not completely shut off or die. However, if you are out of adjustment and or that strip is bent in any way, and it can literally be the slightest or tiniest bend in that strip, in the event during your shifting, again from neutral to forward, back to neutral, into reverse, back to neutral, if that strip pushes on that probe and pushes that probe further into that housing than what you see in this video, your engine will 100% shut off during the shifting phase. So again, I wanted to point that out because in this video, you will see the tiniest compression or push on that probe from the strip. And again, that's normal because everything is in adjustment. However, if it wasn't, and that strip pushed that probe further into the housing, game over, DIYers. The engine will shut off every single time. See that? Same thing. See that? It compresses in and does not come out or retract out when you're in gear. If your shift cable is out of adjustment, go ahead and loosen and remove this nut. Remove the cotter pin. Carefully lift up or pull the shift cable out of the plastic housing. This little brass cylinder, begin to rotate it on the threaded shaft here and properly adjust your shift cable. To align the aluminum strip and probe, if you do all that and you're still experiencing issues, DIYers, it is time to replace your kill switch. A couple screws here. Carefully remove the old part. Plug and play with the new part. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on a brand new kill switch.